to the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Today we have another on-feet review for you guys. Another hooping sneaker. This is a Kyrie. This is the Kyrie Anta one, and this is in the Kaleidoscope colorway, man. But before we get up into this content in this review, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. You guys have been killing it, and I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you guys follow me at KICKnology on Instagram and also KICKnology23 on Snapchat. Just trying to grow those platforms. But as I said, today we have the Kyrie Anta 1. I've heard a lot of great things about this sneaker, and we're going to talk about comfortability, how they fit, sizing, and all that stuff. But this has been one of the shoes that a lot of people say that they really like to hoop in. And I can definitely understand why just by moving around in them. I haven't put them on court. Like I said, this is going to be a good, quick overview for you guys. But starting with the left sneaker, as you guys can see right here, we do have a low sneaker, and it does have the strap on it. And I really like the straps when it comes to the Kyries. I remember, I think it's the Kyrie 2s from when he was with Nike, but it does have a strap on it. On the side, you have like this wave type thing, and it's in that light blue and pink colorway right there that goes into like an infrared, a white outsole on these things. As we go across the back end, as you guys can see right here, we have the Kyrie logo and the Anta logo in the infrared pull tab in the middle. On the inner side of the sneaker, as you guys can see, it is pretty much the same thing. You have a white outsole and then the platinum silver. Really cool designs, a lot going on with this sneaker, and it's got some small details that I will show you guys as far as the details goes. Now on the toe box, I'm not sure exactly the material, but it does seem pretty durable, and you do have like this netting right here, as you guys can see, and then you have the number 11, and then you have the strap, like I said, but as you pull the strap back, it is all black, and these laces are trash, like really trash. And then on the tongue, you do have the Kyrie symbol right there in like a crazy colorway, and then you have some fonts and some symbols right here. I think that has to do something with his religion and all that good stuff. Don't quote me on that, but you have it right there on the side. The bottom is all white. You have the Kyrie logo in the middle. And these shoes actually seem like they'll be pretty good outside, judged from the outsole. They're not that gummy material, translucent. It seems like they're just pretty much a solid outsole, man. So I do think that they would last pretty well outside, and that's why I hoop in outside here in Florida. But before I show you guys the details in the box, let's talk about sizing. I did go a half a size up. These are a size 12, and for the most part, you know what I'm saying, heel slippage and stuff like that, I'm not feeling it. I feel like these was a perfect size for me, and they fit snug. So I do think a half a size up on these would be ideal if you're gonna get these shoes, and they're gonna fit perfect. Now, if you go true to size, they will be tight, and some of you guys like that extremely tight fit, but for me, I like a little bit of freedom on my toes and stuff like that. So I do go a half a size up, so either true to size or a half a size up. Now, as we move around in them a little bit, I will say that I do like the way that they feel. Feels like that they got a lot of support and cushioning in them, so that's dope. So let's show you guys some details, and let's get up into the box a little bit. All right, so for some details that are on these sneakers, as you can see on the back end, it says the journey is the reward. It is etched into the booty of these things. You have the Kyrie logo right here, the Anta logo right there, and then on the toe box, we do have the number 11 right there on the toe box. Behind there looks like the Kyrie logo behind the mesh netting. We have this, I don't know what these letters stand for or symbols, but we do have the symbols there, and we have, like, as you can see here, feather symbols etched in all sides of the sneakers. And then on the strap, we have the exact same things, those symbols. And I feel like all that has to do with his religion and his belief. There go the Kyrie logo right there. But as far as the padding, let me show you guys the padding behind the tongue. As you guys can see right here, is super thick. And then on the back as well, you can see that padding right there, really thick. So it means a lot of support, a lot of cushioning in there. And then as far as the insole, we do have the Kyrie logo on the insole. All right, so as far as the box goes, they are very detailed. And let me tell you, these sneakers retail for $120. So you are getting premium material, premium performance sneaker, and you also get a nice box. So you have the Kyrie logo here, a whole bunch of designs on here. And it's like raised, you know what I'm saying? On this side, this is the size tag. Like I said, I did go with a size 12. Y'all can pause that for anything that you need to pause it for. On one side of the sneaker, we have the strength, agility, focus, and speed. I guess these are the symbols that's on the sneaker. On this side, it says, mastering your craft is a journey, Anta.com. And then on this side, we have the Anta logo. Now, as we open up the box, like I said, it is a pull-out box. So we're gonna pull that up right there, and you just have white paper in these things, nothing crazy in there, and then that's just a receipt. But that is pretty much it for the box. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? How do you feel about the Kyrie line? If you own a pair of Kyries, or what about this colorway? Like I said, for $120, you can't go wrong. And performance-wise, I think these shoes are definitely up there with some of the best sneakers right now for hooping. But I appreciate you guys as always. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, are just bait. A way for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs in New